Sleeping on the couch, it's so bad. At least I'm out of sight for now. Learn to shut my mouth when I'm getting mad. It ain't worth it. It's been enough talking lately. What you running from? It's the last call, so tell me what you really want. It's a long fall, so no sudden moves you can't lose. Can't lose. Letting you down is easy enough, but why is it I know any love? I'm gonna take it as for both of us. Say love, say love. She's everything I wish I needed, but it's just not enough. 'Cause she